Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to find the value of this given logarithmic problem. As you can see, our logarithmic problem is log of 3 with the base 2. And here's the question. We have been given 4 different options and we have to find out where this value falls into. A part between 1 and 2/3 and 2. B part between 1.5 and 1 and 2/3. C part is 1 and 1/3 and 1.5. And finally D part between 2 and 3. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's the logarithmic expression. I have just copied it down, log of 3 with the base 2. Since we don't know the value of this number, so I'm going to call that this is equal to x. Let's assume this is equal to x. Now this has become a logarithmic equation and we want to convert it into an exponential equation. Now let's recall the conversion formula. It converts from logarithmic form to an exponential form. So we're going to be using this rule to convert this our logarithmic equation into a exponential equation. So that is simply is going to become 2 power x equal to 3. Now let me go ahead and call this exponential equation as equation number 1. Now let's focus on our question with 4 different options. As you can see over here, these values on the left hand side are called lower bound values and these right hand side values are called upper bound values. So no wonder we are going to find the upper bound and lower bound values. And here in this step, we are going to find the upper bound of this given equation. So let's go ahead and take power 3 on both sides of this equation number 1. And here's our equation number 1, 2 power x equal to 3. Let me go ahead and take power 3 on both sides. And now we can use this power rule to take care of these 2 exponents. So this could be written as 2 power 3x equals to 3 power 3 is 27. And we know that 27 is less than 32. And 32 could be written as 2 power 5 in terms of exponents. So that means this on the left hand side is less than this right hand side. So we can write this one as 2 power 3x is less than 2 power 5. And now let's observe that our base is same on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So that means we conclude that our this exponent 3x is going to be less than 5. So that means our x value turns out to be less than 5 over 3, or if we put it in terms of mixed number, we can write x is less than 1 and 2/3. So our upper bound turns out to be x is less than 1 and 2/3. Now let's go ahead and find the lower bound. So let's go ahead and take the power 2 r square on both sides of this given equation number 1. And here's our equation number 1. Let's go ahead and take the square on both sides, power 2 over here and power 2 over here. And once again, we will be using this power rule. So this is going to give us 2 power 2x equal to 3 power 2 is 9. And we know that 9 is bigger than 8 and 8 in turns could be written as 2 power 3. So therefore on the left hand side this 2 power 2x could be written as greater than on the right hand side 2 power 3. Now let's focus on these base base 2 on the left hand side and the base 2 on the right hand side, and since these bases are same, so their exponents could be written as 2x is greater than 3. All right, and now if we divide both sides by 2 to isolate x, so that means x is going to be bigger than 3 over 2. And now let's put this one in a mixed number, so x is going to be greater than 1.5. So thus our lower bound turns out to be x is greater than 1.5. And here's our final step. Let's focus on our lower bound. X is greater than 1.5. If I switch this inequality the other way around, so this could be written as 1.5 is less than x. So both are same. There's no difference whatsoever. Now if I put these two inequalities together, I can write this one as x is in between these lower bound is 1.5 and the upper bound is 1 and 2/3. So thus our answer is option B. The values of this log of 3 with the base 2 lie in between 1.5 and 1/2. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.